Well, this is the ATOTO steering wheel controller. You could actually have it on the steering wheel somewhere here, maybe there. I bought this because this aspect hasn't worked for quite some time, probably connection or something like that, but I haven't bothered to look at that. So I bought this, and for the price, it's been great. I mean, you know, you can have something on the radio and you can control a number of the features forwards and backwards on tracks if you listen to your own music. Radio stations will just, you know, backwards and forwards and start going through your particular radio channels. Obviously you can, well, I'm on an Android phone, so I can go into Google and you know, see what's going on in the world in that respect. But one of the most great features is I've got this volume control here, which is just this ring. You can have the notification beeps on or off. For the moment it's on, but you know, you've got your radio station down here, and then you can just, as I say, change the volume as you're going along. It's so much easier, that I find, than doing it probably by going to the relevant switch down on the unit itself. But it's great. The head unit, this is the F7 XE ATOTO, and I'm finding this lovely, absolutely lovely. So just turn that over. Google. Hello Google, what is the weather forecast in Birmingham today?
Today in Birmingham, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 19 and a low of 6. Right now it's 10 degrees and mostly cloudy.
But the researchers say it's not yet accurate enough to be rolled out.
You can press the button to go into Google in my case, or you can just talk. You can just talk and it'll pick it up. So, yep, great combination. Very pleased.
Yeah, I got it, and it was in these many pieces. I figured it was just a shipping error, but I don't know why there's that white stuff on there like that. I don't know if that's supposed to be on there. But I tried to snap it back together, and it didn't work. I thought maybe it was the battery, so I saw other videos of where people had received extra batteries. I went to find mine and there was no extra battery, so I had to go and buy another battery. That's this one right here that I bought, and it still doesn't work, so I guess it's more than just the battery. I was really excited for this, but it's not working out very well. I don't know what I should do. If it was just a battery thing and it just fell apart, then I would have just put it back together and called her good probably, but I put it back together and it doesn't work no matter what battery I use. Lights don't come on or nothing. Trying to figure out what to do.
You've got an ATOTO stereo in your van and I'm in a Fiat Ducato. I highly recommend getting one of these wireless remote controls. This particular model has a strap which will mount on the steering wheel and connects with a magnet, so it can spin like this. I've got it just above where I have my thumb, so I can reach all of the controls. You've got forward facing camera, you've got reverse camera if you've got it installed, skipping tracks, answering and hanging up of phone calls, and Hey Google if you've got Android Auto installed. It also has circular volume for up and down, which is easy to control. Like I said, if you've got reverse camera, press and hold on this one of these Luminous buttons, and there we go, magic. And you can view that anytime you like as you drive along. So there we go. And if you don't like it mounted on here, there's a sticker that comes with it, so you can mount it elsewhere on your steering wheel or on the side. I like mine here, and I found this really useful.
life and down, down. If I tell you say I love you, you know you for me and down, oh and down. No tell me no.
Mi vogliono guarito e via da qui. E ritorna il sereno. Allora, 18:49 minuti 11 secondi. Siamo noi, siamo prima, nessuno ha detto che abbiamo vinto la battaglia per le bollette. Nessuno ha potuto dire, se ci siamo espressi male ci scusiamo, ma anzi.
Very fragile. It won't stay in place. When you drive, it comes loose. I had it on the steering wheel. That didn't work. So I stuck it here. But it's too flimsy. So I bought 2 of them, so it is what it is. That's my take on it.
ਸਾਡਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਕਸ਼ਮੀਰ ਸੀ ਚੰਗਾ ਸੀ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ